Hello students, welcome to Ad Uncle. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
So today we will have a discussion regarding the remaining part. So first of all, I will start with operational amplifier. That is very important and scoring topic.
Good evening,
Good evening.
sir.
So the first question is for the circuit. This is the question. And this one is from IIT JAM 2007. Yes, hurry up. I want answer from everyone. Now you all should be prepared for the exam. Do it as you do in the exam.
Minus 4 and 20.
Minus 4 and
Minus 20.
yes, very good. Arun, second answer is wrong. Yeah, it is practically it is correct. Yes, Arun. Very good. Two answers so far. If we calculate V naught as such, so this is a mixture of inverting and non-inverting circuit. Na? So if we go for the for the inverting part, it will give us this much voltage, and for the non-inverting part, yes, Rishita, very good. Yes. So this is the answer to first part. Okay. This is the answer to first part. Now, what will happen if the polarity is reversed? When the polarity of, so it will become -2 instead of 2. So -12 will be there for the inverting part, and for the non-inverting it will become. But now my question is this possible?
No,
नो
sir.
सर 12 का 90% आ जाए.
Yes, which is not possible. So the actual reading shown will be, at the most it will be -12, but actually practically it is 90% of 12, that is 10.8. But
Yes.
you can still write -12. It cannot go beyond -12. Okay. So in this case, the reading shown will be -12, you will say. -20 is not possible. That will be the final answer actually. Okay. That has to be taken care.
तो
Clear?
सर वी नॉट जो है -12 लेना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, -12 बोलेंगे आप.
ओके सर. वो जो 90% आता है वो 10.8.
वो actually practically that is the reading. Practically actually some voltage will be lost, na? Some of
Yes.
it will be absorbed. But we are neglecting that part. But practically if you attach such an operational amplifier, voltmeter will show you only 10.8 at the max. Okay.
Yes sir.
Clear to all? So this is very important. This is the question. DC gain and cutoff frequency. So you can straight away eliminate two options by finding the gain. Can anyone tell me what do you mean by DC gain? Why it is called DC gain?
And it's
Because
it's
capacity
after
is
F equal to 0.
Yes, it is the gain for DC voltage. For AC voltage, gain will be different because gain varies with frequency. So you can also call it gain at zero frequency. So it is inverting circuit or non-inverting? No, Durga, it's wrong.
It's a low pass filter.
I am asking inverting or non-inverting. Very good, Abhay and Durga.
Sir, non-inverting.
Ramdayal. Yes, non-inverting. So what will be the gain?
1 plus
1 plus RF by RG. That is 1 plus 10 plus divided by 1. 11.
A and B are not possible. Na? Okay, and the frequency is 1 by 2 pi RC. Cutoff is 1 by 2 pi RC. So 1 by 2 pi R is 1K. So 2 pi will get cancelled. 1 kilohertz. No? C option. No? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Done, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, please tell about DC.
Tell about
DC gain.
gain. You have not told me. DC gain means gain at zero frequency.
Yes, sir. Similarly, can AC gain occur?
Gain at
Like changing voltage, the sinusoidal voltage is applied.
क्या बोल रहे हैं बेटा?
सर सिमिलरली एसी गेन हो सकता है
हाँ,
यहाँ पर हमारे पास साइनसॉइडल वोल्टेज है.
yes, if you apply some AC signal over here, then the gain corresponding to that will be called AC gain because that gain will be frequency
Yes.
dependent. It will be dependent upon the frequency of the input signal. Gain varies with frequency. Gain of the operational amplifier, it is not a constant quantity as we think. Okay, it is constant only at small frequencies, only at low frequencies. Why this is not observable in our daily life? Because in India, our household supply, it is of 50 hertz. So normally
Yes, sir.
we do not come across such signals which have very high frequency. Okay, but otherwise if you use a signal of frequency 1K, 2K, 5K, then you will find that the gain of the op-amp, it is different.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And there is a plot for that also, where we plot the gain of the op-amp versus frequency, and that is called Baud plot. Okay, so that is very important for any op-amp. Very good, Durga and Abhay. Arun, Smruti Shri, Rita, Aditya. Very good, everyone. Ramdayal, Rishita. Hurry up, everyone. Very simple concept. By the concept of virtual ground. We know that VA equal to VB and VB is grounded, na? So it will be 0. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is the circuit and you have to find the output voltage. Yes, Aditya, very good. See, let us assume the currents through each one of these are I1, I2, I3. Okay. So what we can do is I1 plus I2 plus I3 should be 0. Sum total of all the currents, because no current is going into the op-amp technically. Yes, Ritika. And what is I1? It will be 1 volt minus VB by R. Then it will be 2 volt minus VB by R. Then 3 volt minus VB by R. Two volt. Then output will be 1 plus 2R by R times VB, na? Because it is non-inverting. So that is the final answer. See, Arun.
Yes, sir.
Clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सर एक चीज और पूछनी है।
हाँ जी,
सर जब भी हम ट्रांजिस्टर में बाइसिंग करते हैं ना तो वो वीसीसी यूज करते हैं और जनरली जो वीसीसी है वो एक मतलब डीसी वोल्टेज है जो हम अप्लाई कर रहे हैं।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बोलिए।
तो सर हम उसको ना एमीटर और बेस जंक्शन में ही क्यों नहीं लगाते? हम लगाते तो उसको हर बार कलेक्टर बेस जंक्शन में है, तो मतलब हम उसको एमीटर बेस जंक्शन में क्यों नहीं यूज करते?
एमिटर बेस में भी तो लगाते हो, दो बैटरीज होती हैं ट्रांजिस्टर के लिए। एक बैटरी कहाँ होती है, दो बैटरी से चलता है ना ट्रांजिस्टर।
यस सर, वी एक तो वीईबी होता है, वीसीबी होता है, प्लस
तो
वीसीसी भी तो होता
बेस
है।
एमिटर हो तो गया। जो आप वीईबी बोल रहे हो वो बेस एमिटर का ही तो हुआ।
यस सर।
हाँ जी, फिर तो डाउट क्या
देन
है?
सर वीसीबी वीसीबी
वीसी
इन तो इन टोटल मतलब हम दो डीसी वोल्टेजेस यूज कर रहे हैं, एक इनपुट जंक्शन, एक इनपुट में और एक आउटपुट में।
बीसी कहाँ कर रहे हैं बेटा? इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन द ट्रांजिस्टर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ना। इफ योर
नो सर,
ट्रांजिस्टर
वी
कॉमन एमिटर, अगर एमिटर आपका कॉमन में है तो एक बैटरी
सर,
वीबीई रहेगी, दूसरी वीसीई रहेगी।
यस सर।
अगर आपका कॉमन में कोई और टर्म, इट विल बी, द नेम विल बी डिसाइडेड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट ना। देयर इज नथिंग इन द नेम, द ओनली थिंग इज वी आर यूजिंग टू बैटरीज, one for the input section and other for the output section.
और सर जो
वो तो
वीसीसी है,
जो कॉमन होगा आपका वो तो वो टर्मिनल लग जाएगा।
यस सर। सर देन व्हाट अबाउट वीसीसी?
बेटा आप वही बात नहीं मेरी समझ रहे बार बार। मैं कह रहा हूं
नहीं
there is nothing in the name when we are doing the biasing configurations, then we
यस
are
सर,
calling the battery as VCC.
यस सर, आई गॉट इट नाउ, आई गॉट
Okay.
इट। यस सर।
Yes. अल्टीमेटली तो आप उससे VCE निकालते हो ना, यू माइट हैव नोटिस्ड।
यस सर, यस सर।
तो वो VCC इसलिए बोल दिया बिकॉज यू आर कनेक्टिंग द एक्स्ट्रा कंपोनेंट्स ऑल्सो। आपने रेजिस्टेंस भी लगाई है, बाकी चीजें भी लगाई हैं, बट अल्टीमेटली द मेन कंपोनेंट इज VCE, और उसी से
Yes, sir.
VCE भी निकाल रहे हो आप। सो बोथ आर कमिंग आउट टू बी
Yes.
डिफरेंट ना।
Yes, sir.
VCE you have been taking as 0.7 in most of the cases, depending upon whether it is silicon or
Nickel and selenium.
and then you have been calculating VCE. So there are two voltages, but in most of the transistor configurations what we are doing is we are utilizing only one battery and we are getting the voltage of the input and output section from the same battery. Okay, तो वो VCC से आप पावर ले रहे हैं, बट what will happen in such a case? वो बैटरी जल्दी कंज्यूम हो जाएगी ना। इफ यू आर यूजिंग ओनली वन बैटरी टू रन द इनपुट एंड आउटपुट सेक्शंस, वो जल्दी आपकी जो है बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगी। क्लियर? एनी अदर डाउट? Is it clear, beta? I forgot the name. Who are you?
हिमांशी सर, सर अब क्लियर है।
Okay. And one more thing regarding the batteries. अभी आप ओपैम्प के सर्किट में देखिएगा कभी भी, इन केस ऑफ ओपैम्प ऑल्सो दे आर कॉलिंग दीज बैटरीज एज VCC एंड माइनस VE. If you have noticed in some of the book, I don't know, but ओपैम्प में तो कलेक्टर और एमिटर होते नहीं है ना. So by default these nomenclatures they are used based upon the transistor. जैसे ट्रांजिस्टर में बीजेटी में, बेसिक ट्रांजिस्टर मतलब बीजेटी, तो बीजेटी में जिस तरह से आप दो बैटरीज यूज कर रहे हैं, तो उसी तरह इसकी भी दो बैटरीज को वही नेम दे देते हैं, जो यहां पे लगी होती है ना, ऐसे एक को प्लस VCC दूसरे को माइनस VE ऐसे बोल देते हैं. बट इसमें तो अब एमिटर और कलेक्टर है ही नहीं आपका. This one. Very good, Arun. Very good, Rita, Durga, Ramdayal, Rishita. Hurry up. It is a two-stage amplifier. Okay. So first you will get the output of the first op-amp and then the second. Yes, Vakajal, Smruti Shiri. Jayashri, it's wrong. Please check your answer. Yes, Ritika. See, first of all, let us get the value of V. Try to get this V. So V will be yes, Jayashri, now it's okay. So minus 10 V1. So V out will be I don't know what is happening. 10R by 20 V1 minus 10 V2. So it is D option. Please check. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, Rita. No, Durga. Yes, Arun. Yes, Samruti Shri. Yes, Durga. Yes, Abe. Rishita, it's wrong. Yes, Ritika. Now it's okay, Rishita. See, this is the formula. Na? This is an integrator. So Vi is V. So it will be minus V by RC integration dt plus K. Is proportional to minus Vt. Na? Linearly, it will approach minus V. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, please check.
Yes, sir.
Let me see another one. There are lots of questions on OPAM actually. Yes. Let us name these points as A and B. Hurry up. Obviously, regulated output will come only when Zener is on. If Zener is on, it means it is keeping 4.7 volt. Na? It means voltage at terminal B is 4.7 volt. Yes, Abhay. Yes, Rita.
Shouldn't be minus 4.7.
Why?
I mean, positive terminal of the zener is grounded and potential difference. Just
When does the Zener show its voltage regulation property?
In the bus bias condition.
It shows during reverse bias, na?
yes, sir. Oh, okay. Okay.
See the applied voltage. Applied voltage is positive, so how can the voltage at this terminal be negative? It is
Okay, sir. I got my error.
yes. So VB is 4.7. Same will be the voltage across VA, na? What we have to find? R. No need to get VA actually.
सर डायरेक्ट नॉन इन्वर्टिंग से आ जाएगा ना?
Yes, उसी से हो जाएगा 1K by R into VB. It is given to be 9 volt. So 1 plus 1 by R into 4.7.
सर 1K होगा.
1.09K actually.
Yes, sir.
This is the exact one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Vak Kajal, Arun, Abe. Again, that virtual ground concept, very good, Rishita. It will come into play. So voltage at this terminal will also be 5 volt, and so will be the voltage at this terminal by the concept of virtual ground, and this will give us the value of emitter current. It will be 5 volt by 1K, that is 5 milliampere. So same will be the value of IC, and we know that IB is IC by beta. So it will be 5 milliampere by 50. That is 0.1. Okay. And we know that otherwise if we find, otherwise IB will be, if we want to find it completely. So this is up to 1 decimal point. Na? Otherwise it will be IE by beta plus 1. So no need to write IC. Then by 51. So that will give you the exact one. This one. Because IE is IB plus IC, na? So it is beta plus 1 IB. From there I got this formula.
सर इट इज ए वोल्टेज फॉलोअर एम्पलीफायर ऐसे करने से 5 वोल्ट आ जाएगा इधर
Yes, definitely. Unity follower or voltage follower. But the main thing we require is this voltage, no? In order to start with, not this one. Okay.
यस सर
This one will also be 5 volt, this voltage. What is the use of voltage follower in the circuit if the input and output is same? Anyone?
इम्पीडेंस को लो करता है सर
आइसोलेट करेगा सर आइसोलेट करेगा
Yes. Very good. This is the circuit. IIT JAM 2019. So 3 step. Amplitude of output means you will take amplitude of input. Only then you can get the max value of output, na? If you proceed with max value of input. So take input as 200 millivolt. Yes, Abe. Let's call this voltage as V1, this as V2, and obviously finally is V0. So V1 will be, as it is non-inverting, into Vi, that is 200 millivolt. So 900 millivolt, no? 0.9 volt. So now V2 will be, it will be inverting one. And final one is also inverting one. This is the answer. So up to 2 decimal places, it is 11.02. Check everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir.
C. Yes, Arun, very good. It is correct. No, Rishita, wrong. चलिए मैं डिस्कस करता हूं. A option is correct. Let us see how. Very simple. Suppose input voltage is positive. If input voltage is positive, what will happen? This diode will get forward biased, but this will get reverse biased. Na? Why? Who will tell me? Why the second one is reverse biased?
Inverting end में input.
इन्वर्टिंग है तो अगर ये पॉजिटिव रहेगा तो ये नेगेटिव रहेगा, उससे ये रिवर्स बायस हो जाएगा. ओके. एंड इफ इट इज रिवर्स,
Yes, sir.
दिस विल बी ओपन सर्किट, और ये ओपन सर्किट होगा तो आउटपुट क्या आएगा? 0. इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Input voltage is positive, you are going to get output as 0. So it means this one got eliminated, this one got eliminated. So we are left with A and D. In D also output is 0 now when input is positive. Now if input is negative, suppose you will get positive voltage here. So this will get forward bias, but this will get reverse bias. Open circuit. So it doesn't matter. So you can remove this from the circuit. Okay. So if it is forward bias, then the output will be equal to input now, because it is 1K by 1K. And because input is a negative, output will be positive. Na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now see graph number A. Are you getting the same thing or not? Please check. If you have any doubt, you can clarify. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more is there. again from IIT JAM 2021. So you need to check all the answers. First of all, you can try and get output. Let us suppose this terminal is A, this is B. So this can also be taken as B. So VA equal to VB, na? Again same. Same current will flow. Let us call this as I2. No, Abe. Let us calculate the current. So it will be 0. So V naught is 2 VA. V naught is 2 VA. Okay. Now we can make use of Kirchhoff law at this terminal. I2 is entering the junction at I3 and I naught they are leaving. So I2 will be equal to I3 plus I naught. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now it's
Yes.
okay. So what is I2? 1 minus VB. So instead of VB, can I write VA? Virtual.
Yes, sir.
Let us get it in terms of RL only because RL is also changing. Na? This. V naught is, so it will become minus, no? Because V naught was minus 2VA. Not is 2VA. Yeah. It is. Oh, there was one more, no? RL volts. Okay. So now in option A, they are saying I naught is 1 milliampere. So I naught is actually I naught is VB by RL. Na? VB means V naught by RL. So I naught is VA by RL. So VA is RL. So it is 1 milliampere as such. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
So first option is correct. V naught is 3 volt. So V naught is actually 2 VA. What is VA? From here, VA will be 1.5 na, right now. VA is 1.5, so 3 volt. That's also correct. If RL is doubled, I naught will change to this. Okay, 0.5. अगर इसको डबल करते हैं तो 0.5 हो जाएगा. नहीं होगा, बिकॉज ऊपर भी तो RL है. If RL is doubled, V naught will change to 6 volt. Yes, because VA is RL. So A, B, D are correct. C is wrong. Please check everyone. Please check if it is clear. Clear or not?
सर डी ऑप्शन
Yes.
क्या
सर
था?
सर सी ऑप्शन बता दो. करंट 0.5 क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
करंट का वैल्यू क्या निकाला है आपने?
मिली एम्पेयर.
नो, फार्मूला.
ये सर RL by RL. ठीक है सर.
तो अगर RL डबल किया तो फिर 2/2 फिर भी तो 1 ही रहा ना.
1 है. ये
तो फिर 0.5 कैसे हुआ? Wrong ना? And same thing is here. You are saying V naught is 2 VA and VA is what? So it is actually 2 RL. So if you double the value of RL, it will be double of its present value. That will be 6 volt. Please check now.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. This is the question I want to ask.
Okay. Let me check if there is. So we have discussed, I think, all of the op-amp problems. I am unable to find any other problem based on op-amp from IIT JAM, especially. Let me see. Yes, one problem is there that was left. That is also MSQ. R1 is 3, R2 is 1 kilo ohm. This one. So this is non-inverting. No? Actually, you need to check only two options. Two of them are clear. As it is non-inverting, so output voltage is in phase and current through R1 is equal to current through R2 because no current goes into open. I think these two must be clear to everyone. So you need to check only B and C. What is the potential at point P? So if the current through both of them is same, it means potential at point P will be V naught by R1 plus R2 into R2, na? Isn't it? Please check. So this one is wrong, na? And the amplitude of V naught is 2 volt. Let us see. So V naught is 1 plus R1 by R2 VI, na? And this one is 3 by 1 and amplitude of this is 0.5. So this will give us V naught max, na? 4 into 0.5, yes, we are getting 2 volt. So A, C, D are correct. Please check. A, C, D are correct. Clear?
सर VP इक्वल टू VI नहीं होगा?
VP equal to,
VI.
yes, you can do. Then what is the use of that? Is there any use of that?
No sir.
They are asking you with respect to output and R1 and R2. So you have to get VP with respect to this circuit only. No? Obviously, it is going to be equal to VI. But VI is also unknown. No?
Yes sir.
Clear? So let us discuss some questions based on digital. Options are 0, 1, A bar. Hurry up. Very good, Rita Abe. C. It is exclusive NOR gate. All of the gates are exclusive NOR. Let's call this output as Y1. This is Y2. So Y1 will be A exclusive NOR 0. Okay. So it will be A bar. Na? Y2 will be A exclusive or A bar, then bar. So it will be A plus A bar, A bar. So this will be A plus A bar. Na? Can I write this as A plus A bar bar? This will be 1 bar, that is 0. So if Y2 is 0, then Y will be A exclusive or 0 bar. So this will be A into 0 bar, A bar into 0, A into 1. That is A bar. Please check. Clear? Okay. So that's all for today, students. So we will continue from here tomorrow and we will start with condensed matter also after finishing the electronics part, digital part. Okay. Okay, students. Bye bye. Take care.